Hi, I am Dr. Vidhi Vivekanand, Consultant Pediatric Pulmonologist from the Department of Pediatric Pulmonology, Kanchi, Kamakoti, Children's Hospital. Today I am going to discuss about a very important and neglected topic about pediatric sleep problems. Pediatric sleep problems is quite prevalent in the population and is always ignored by parents. We see a range of sleep problems from infantile period till the adolescent period. The common problems which we do encounter are behavioral insomnia during childhood, which starts from infancy period. When the child crosses 2 years of age group, we do see quite a large number of children between 2 to 7 years of age group who have regular snoring, which may lead to a condition called obstructive sleep apnea, which is commonly due to enlargement of the tonsils and adenoids, which can cause problem in about 5% of these children. During adolescence, because of school stress, peer pressure, excess gadget viewing, children can have changes in circadian rhythm timings and they present with something called as circadian rhythm disorders. The commonest is what is called as delayed sleep-wake phase disorders. We do also rarely see children with excessive daytime sleepiness and some rare conditions called narcolepsy. Now, how do we attend to this section of children in our regular day-to-day clinics? We have daily pediatric sleep clinics. Any child with pediatric sleep disorders, which may range from any of those which we discussed, we assess the child with the parents, we examine them and we find out what sort of pediatric sleep problem do they have. Because we are equipped with a fully functioning pediatric sleep laboratory, a minority of these children at times may also need a sleep testing called as pediatric polysomnography, which we do it in our pediatric sleep lab. And the most common indication for a sleep testing is a pediatric obstructive sleep apnea. Thank you.